this is Jayar from the Tech Reviewers. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a Music Anywhere mini speaker. I got this at a flea market for $10. So what you get is a manual. You get the USB charger, the sync device, and the device itself. It's like a hamburger clone or another type of device. So here it is, USB hamburger, the audio device, cable, and the USB charger, and the manual, the box itself, and the mini speaker. This total costs $10. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye. And don't forget to click the subscribe button.